Welcome to the everything Google Pixel 5a, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first, launch the settings application and then scroll down to the security and privacy section. After that, scroll down, click to more privacy or more security section. So go back, more security settings, and click to SIM card lock. Now just to lock SIM card with the pin code, we should click on the switcher and enter our pin code. For example, in my case, that will be from 1 to 4. Then click to OK, and we can see that we just successfully logged our SIM card with the SIM pin. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.